Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create a theme and how to choose one, and then also how to activate your theme for your store. So, once you're on home, you want to actually go down to online store, click on that, and then it'll bring you to themes. If it doesn't bring you to themes, click on themes, and then it brings you to your Shopify store that you have right now. And you can actually customize it as it is and start from scratch, or you can do what everyone else does and choose a free theme. Right now, we can choose from these free themes that we have here, or if you want a bigger selection of free themes, you can actually just click on Add Theme and then Visit Theme Store, and then they will have an option for free themes that you want to choose from, and then you choose it, and it brings over to the theme library. But because it's right here for us, and we want to use refresh, we'll add this one. So we click on that. And now all we have to do is wait for it to download onto our theme library. So we'll wait for that. Now that you have your theme ready to go, you can actually either publish it, but we actually haven't done any edits, so you can't publish it. And we're going to click on Customize. Now that you're in the Customize page, you'll be able to customize everything you want, from the title to the color to the home screen, everything. And we will be creating more tutorials on how to do that. So thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and heads up on more of our tutorials. Bye.